Hi there everyone. Today's weather would have made many South African holidaymakers very happy, especially along the coastline. And in the afternoon there were a few thunder showers that developed over the eastern parts, but those were quite isolated. A weak front was also approaching from the west and it fizzled quite quickly just before making landfall and really didn't bring any rainfall to the area. As we head into tomorrow, we still expect a few showers, mostly in the morning over Limpopo, and by mid-morning the area will be much drier, and that increased sunshine over the central parts helps to push temperatures even higher for the Free State and the northwest. Thanks to the daytime heat as well as some moisture over the eastern parts of the country, a few thunder showers will redevelop once again in the area, and by tomorrow night another very weak front will be reaching the southwestern coastline, where there could also be some light rain. Light winds in the forecast over the country, but becoming gusty over the Northern Cape interior for the afternoon, and an average wind speed of 15 kilometers per hour has been forecast for the eastern coastline. Here's your detailed provincial forecast, and there's little change expected for the Northern Cape. Sunny and hot weather expected for most areas once again. For the Western Cape, it's going to be another lovely day. 24 is a high for both Cape Town and Langebaan. And by evening, as that front moves through, there could be light rain around Hermanus. Dry weather expected for the south coast with an average high of about 22 degrees. Port Elizabeth, not too bad with 25-degree maximum temperature. Thunder showers for the interior of the Eastern Cape, while some areas in the south could experience a bit of light rain, including Grahamstown and Bishu. Let's take a look at KZN, where it's going to be a warm to hot afternoon. Only isolated thunder showers for this province. Some of those storms could reach the southern coastline later on, but for Richards Bay, it's going to be a dry and humid afternoon. For Mpumalanga, it's going to be a partly cloudy day with a few thunder showers on the Highveld. Skukuza, a much cooler day in the forecast, 33 degrees under cloudy conditions. Lots of cloud, keeping temperatures lower as well for the eastern parts of Limpopo. But as we head further westwards, we see hot weather persisting, along with the possibility for a few thunderstorms. Mostly dry and very hot into the northwest, mid-30s all across the province for the afternoon, and similar conditions expected for most of the Free State. But once again, Harrismith, you could have thunder showers. Finally, for Gauteng, a hot day in the forecast with partly cloudy skies, a very warm morning for the province, and in the afternoon, a few thunder showers will be possible. Christmas Day brings dry weather to the western interior, and in the morning there could be light rain along the south coast, and while that area dries for the afternoon, the light rain will spread up the coastline towards KZN. Gauteng, you're going to be very hot and dry with temperatures in the mid-30s, and on Tuesday, isolated thunder showers return to your area while it's going to be dry all across the west.